provide us or usher us through an experience of what it's like to be a caged bird, going through the realities that we see on the screen, that we see in our communities, is Rainn Wilson's Piece of Sky.
In loving memory, Dr. Maya Angelou, 1928 to 2014, A Caged Bird. A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends, and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, and he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on a distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. Whenever anything is operating, anyone is operating out of fear, then somebody has all the control over it. But whoever is out there clipping birds' wings, you have all the power. All the power. All the power. Does that sound right to you? Does that sound right to me and to you, or does that sound very, very cruel? I will speak my truth, even if my voice shakes, even when the wind blows, even if lightning strikes the same place twice where I stand. Because my truth is all that I have that can claw through the ugly of this world relentlessly, relentlessly, relentlessly. There are caged birds living in this Madison, living in this county called Dane, that have become invisible, that has brought down on this county shame, and this entire city reaches its arms to the heavens and claims that there is goodness for all, while white rises and black quickly falls. While white rises and black quickly falls. In those cages, people, that Madison has built, on top of these hills covered with progressiveness still, these birds are looking through these bars, watching everyone else fly, and they are marginalized, and they are begging, and they are pleading, and they are screaming for just a little piece of sky.
You know, I heard a white man say once, "What you say, boy? Ain't nothing wrong with Madison. Madison is the flower garden of this here America. You like to tell stories. Ain't nothing wrong with how we do things. You like to tell lies. Hush, wolf. Keep your mouth shut, because who gonna believe you? Be silent. Be still, because we'll rip your tongue out. Can't tell lies about us no more. Can't tell stories about this beautiful city no more. Gone, wolf!" And then I thought to myself, the real wolf caught that boy wolf and told him to go.
Told him to gone. I know why the caged bird sings. I know why it beats its wings. I know why it refuses to die. Because in its spirit, it will always, always fight to fly.